friends at home, in this video I will be doing today's Chapter 9 math review with you. You will be taking your math test next week, and so we're going to do this review page to help you study over the weekend. You also have an additional practice page that you will be doing for homework. I will do 2 of the problems on each side to get you started with how to do them, and then you can do it over the weekend to help you prepare for your test next week, okay? So right now on page 371, because we tore it out of our book, the first thing I do is always the same. Take out my pencil and write down my name. Anytime we tear something out of our books, we want to make sure that we put our names on it, because that way if it gets misplaced, we know who to give it back to, okay? So Blake, I'm looking at number 1, and it says 16 take away 7. So what I think we should do is make a 10 to subtract. And we've gotten really good at making a 10 to subtract. So what do I mean by make a 10? Well, I know that 16 is a 10 and 6 1. So let's get that 16. Let's make it a 10 all by itself. So Blake, what do I need to take away from 16 to make a 10? 6. If I take away the 6, then I'm left with just the 10, right? So let's take away 6. 16 take away 6 would give us 10, but they wanted us to take away 7, Blake. So I still have how many more that I need to take away? 1. Yeah, I have 1 more to take away. So what is 10 minus 1, Blake? 9. So boys and girls, what is the answer for number 1? 9. So circle the letter C. Nice job, Blake. All right, birthday girl, let's take a look at number 2. It says 12 take away 8. There's a couple different ways we can do this. For this one, I think we should do the counting up strategy. So if we start at 8 and then count up to 12, that'll tell us how many our missing number is. So we have 8, and then we say 9, 10, 11, 12. How many tallies did I draw? 4. So Serafina, what's our answer? 4. Circle A. Good job. All right, for number 3, it says subtract, and you can use the 10 frame to help you draw counters. So let's start with 16. Let's draw 16, and then we'll take away 3. So to draw 16, we start by making a 10, because we know a full 10 frame is 10. So there's 10, and then we do 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's our starting number, Dominic, 16. Now, how many should I cross off to take away? 3. So 1, 2, 3. So now, Dominic, I still have my 10, and I have 1, 2, 3 1s. So what's a 10 and 3 1s? 13. So 16 minus 3 equals, everyone should write in 13. Looking at number 4, Chase, it says use the 10 frame to help you draw the counters. We're starting with number 14, so everybody draw 14 counters. You can start by filling in your 10 frame. If it's full, I know it's 10. So Brooklyn, there's 10. I need 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 14. We're going to count and take away how many, Brooklyn? 5. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Chase, how many does that leave us with? 9. So 14 take away 5. Everyone can write in 9. All right, Beckett, let's take a look at number 5. We're starting with 17. So let's draw 17. We can start by filling in our 10 frame. That makes 10. And then 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. So, Beckett, I have 17 counters drawn. I'm going to cross off how many, Beckett? 9. So, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Beckett, how many are left in that 10 frame? Oh, count again. 7. But that doesn't make sense. There are 8, Beckett. You were right the first time. I was just testing you, Beckett. He's like, what does she mean there's not 8? I don't know what my brain was doing there. Yes, you're right. Good job, Beckett. It's 8. If you caught my mistake, good for you. Here we go. It says use the 10 frame. So, Drew, what number am I going to start with? 18. So, to get 18, it's a 10 and 8 ones. So, let's fill up our 10. If it's full, I know it's 10. And then we'll draw 8 ones outside of the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, Sage, we're going to take away how many? 5. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, Sage, I still have my 10 and I have 1, 2, 3 ones left. So what is 18 take away 5? 13. Good job. All right, go ahead and turn now to the back of your page, 372. We're working on our make a 10 to solve here. So in order to make a 10, I want to take this 13, Faith, and I want to get it to 10, okay? So what do I have to take away from 13 to get me to 10? Faith, 13 is a 10 and 3 ones. I just want a 10, so what do I have to get rid of? The 3 ones. So right here, we're going to take away the 3 ones, and that will give us our 10 all by itself. That's what we want. Now, Faith, we have our 10 all by itself, but they wanted us to take away 4, not 3. So how many more do I still need to take away? Oh, I already took away 3. Look up here, Faith. They wanted me to take away 1, 2, 3, 4. I already took away 1, 2, 3 right there. How many do I still have left to take away? 1. So 10 minus 1 equals what, Faith? 9. So 13 minus 4 equals 9. All right, let's write the rest of the fact family for this equation. Austin, they gave us 7 plus 8 equals 15. What would the other addition sentence be?
8 plus 7 equals 15.
Yeah, we just flippity-flop our add-ins and our answer stays the same. Now, for my subtraction, right away, Victoria, let's plug in the 15 for both of them because we know our subtractions have to start with a big number. And Victoria, would you give us the first subtraction sentence? 15 minus 7 equals 8. Good job. And Victoria, then what would the other one be? 15 minus equals? Good job. It's like it clicked all of a sudden for you this week. I'm so happy. Yeah, I'm so happy for you. All right. Which number makes this equation true? Remember we talked about true and false equations. True means it's correct. So we have some number, take away 3 equals 9. So if we take our 9 and count up 3, that should give us that number. So Blake, what is that number? Yeah, 12. Good job. Don't doubt yourself. You are brilliant. All right. Now for this one, it says, which 2 equations are false? Well, the only way to figure out if they're true or false is to work through them. So let's work through these equations, and then we'll circle the 2 that are not true or that are false. So Beckett, the first one says 8 equals 12 take away 4. If I have 12 and I count back 4, 11, 10, 9, 8, that one's true. So it can't be A. For B, I have 17 take away 2 is 5. If I count back 17, 16, 15, uh-oh. Is that true? No, so circle B. 17 take away 2 is 15, not 5. For C, it says 10 equals 18 take away 8. Well, if I have 18, which is a 10 and 8 ones, and I take away 8 ones, it's going to leave me with my 10. So that one's true. It can't be C. Let's look at D. If I have 19 and I take away 4, will I have 5? No, I'll have 15, right? So that one's false. Circle D. Good job, Beckett. All right, looking at 11, it says which equation is true. So again, we have to solve and figure out which one is correct. If I have 13 and I take away 3, it's not going to give me 9. If I take away my 3, it'll leave me with a 10. So that one is false. It can't be that one. If I have 10 and I take away 7, does it equal 3? Well, is 7 plus 3 10? Yes, so that one is true. And just to make sure, let's make sure the other ones are false, okay? 11 take away nothing is not 10. And 9 take away 1 is 8, not 7. So our answer should be B. And for the last one here, which equation is false? So Drew, is 10 minus 3 7? Yeah, that one's true, so it can't be that one. Is 9 minus 3 6? Yeah, so it can't be that one because that's true. If I have 18 and I take away 2, do I get 16?
No.
18, 17, 60. Yeah, so it can't be that one. If I have 12 and I take 1 away, does it give me 10? No, so it's D. That one is false. Excellent, boys and girls. So this page, if you're here in the classroom, should go home with you to study this weekend. And if you are already home, make sure you tear it out and go over it this weekend. Now, put your eyes up on the screen because we're not done. You have homework this weekend. You are going to get a page that has 2 sides. I'll do the first one with you on each side. This whole side is making a 10 to subtract. Now, I will know on Monday when you bring this back, I will know if you paid attention right now or if you did not. Because if you pay attention, then you will know what to do on this. If you don't pay attention, then you won't know what to do. You don't have this page in your book. I'm going to give it to you for homework. I just want you paying attention right now, okay? I just want your eyes on the board. Friends at home, you have this paper in your folder. Friends in the classroom, you don't have this paper yet. Just put your eyes on the board. All right. On this page, we are making a 10 to subtract. So for every problem on this page, you want to get the 10 all by itself. Make a 10. Get to a 10. So looking at this first problem, Sage, how can I get 16? Just a 10. Take away the 6. Brilliant. So here, 16, take away the 6 equals 10. Oh, whoa. Hold on. Just kidding. Okay, so 16 take away 6 equals 10. That's what we have here, right? Now, 16 take away 6 equals 10. But they didn't want me to take away 6. They wanted me to take away 7. So I've already taken away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I still have how many left that I need to take away, Brooklyn? It's not funny. You're not paying attention. Put your balloon away. Put your eyes on the board because you're having a test on this on Monday. Eyes on the board, please. All right, Brooklyn. We took away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But they wanted us to take away 7. How many more do we still have to take away? Thank you. 1 more we need to take away. So 16 minus 6 minus 1 more is going to give us our answer. Now we've got down to 10. 10 take away 1 equals what, Brooklyn? 9. So 16 take away 7 equals 9. It says you can use the 10 frame to help. So what we can do, if we draw in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sage, honey, you have, look at the door. We draw in 10 and then 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does that leave me with 9? It does. So I got it correct. I feel like I should do one more with you guys. What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm going to go down here and do this number 5 with you because this one might get a little tricky. 17. I want to make a 10. Emily, how can I get 17 down to 10?
Take 7 from 8.
Take 7 away. Now, I took 7 from 8, but I still have some left over. How many? 1. So I'm going to take 17, take away 7. That equals 10. But now I have 10 minus 1. What is 10 minus 1? 9. So 17, take away 7, take away 1 equals 9. Okay? So you will work through 2, 3, 4, and 6. On the back of this page, you're doing fact families. You guys are experts on fact families now. Okay? So 8, 12, and 20 are your numbers. 8 plus 12 equals 20. 12 plus 8 equals 20. 20 minus 8 equals 12. What would our other subtraction sentence be using the numbers 8, 12, and 20? Well, this one doesn't have an 8 or a 12, so it can't be A. This one has an 18, so it can't be B. This one has 20 minus 12 equals 8. It uses all three numbers, and it's true. So my answer is C. You will figure out the missing equation here, and then you will fill in the 4 fact families here. This is homework due on Monday. Friends at home, take a picture and upload. Friends here in the classroom, make sure you are doing this and bringing it back on Monday for points, okay? It will prepare you for your test. All right, friends at home, we'll see you later.